Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today let's do a very quick craft. If you have upcoming birthdays or celebrations and you want to do some personalized giveaways, this is perfect for you. All you need are magazines, notebook, yarn, scissors, tape, paper, and pens. First step is to get a page from the magazine, fold it 2 times like this, 1 and 2. Alright, and then wrap it around the notebook. Use a tape to seal it. Cut some yarn and do a ribbon. And cut the edge to have the same length. You can write short message on a piece of paper using pens, or you can even create one on Canva, print, cut, and stick it on the notebook. And tada! The finished product. So here is the close-up look of our finished product. I also did this for our church anniversary, and here is the final product. It's very easy, right? Hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.